Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the trending AI photo effect called Iridescent Rebirth effect, a surreal, ultra-realistic portrait style that's blowing up across social media right now. Okay, and the best part, you can do it completely free using Nano that will let you edit image instantly using just prompts. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this. And then just log in using your Google account. And when you're in, just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. Just do this way to activate the Nano Banana. It will allow you to generate or transform photo instantly just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. Just choose a clear, well-lit portrait, because this will help Gemini or Nano Banana will detect your facial structure accurately and blend it perfectly with the effect. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then now here's come the magic part. Let's type in a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. Just feel free to customize it to match your styles. You can just screenshot this prompt and then just use it to your Gemini like this. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, just look at this result. The texture, the glow and surreal lighting, everything looks straight out of a high-end digital art studio. And seriously, this iridescent rebirth effect turns a normal photo into a something absolutely ethereal. And okay, that's it. You just made the iridescent rebirth effect using Nano Banana. Just try this out, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.